Today's video is all about how to raise chickens, perfect for beginners who want fresh eggs, healthy birds, and maybe even a little fun along the way. Let's get started. So, first of all, you may have your own reasons of raising chickens. Chickens are a great source of fresh, organic eggs. They are fun to watch, help control pests in your yard, and provide natural fertilizer for your garden. Plus, they can even serve become little feathered friends. Another thing is that it's not all chickens are the same. Chickens are not the same. When starting out, choose the right breeds and based on your goal. If you want to go for broilers, you can go for broilers. If you want to go for broilers, so that you'll be able to be selling them as meat, and then you can go for broilers. And if you want to go for layers for egg production, you can as well start. It all depends on your goal. So all you need to do is to choose the right breed. And another thing that you need to do is to set up your chicken coop. That is the second thing that you need to do, is to set up your chicken coop. And here is what your chicken coop need. All what you need to prepare or set up a chicken coop. Number one, shelter from rain, sun, and predators. You need space about 2 to 3 square feet per chicken inside. And you need nesting boxes, 1 box for every 3 to 4 hens. Another thing is ventilation, super important for health. Chickens need proper nutrition. Start with quality layer feed, and remember, fresh clean water is a must every day. Another thing is that raising chickens doesn't take hours of work, just a little daily attention. All you need to do is to check food and water. You serve them food and water. And another thing is to collect eggs on time. Another thing is look for signs of sicknesses. This is what you need to be doing every day. And another thing is clean the coop every week. You can choose to do it weekly, at least to keep the chicken coop very neat all the time. So if you have watched to this very point and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe and join the great family. So I'll be giving bonus tips. Talk to your chickens. Yes, this is what you need to do every day. Talk to your chickens. They will hear your voice, and it helps them stay calm and happy. Then what are the common mistakes? Common mistakes to avoid. Some beginners make these mistakes. Avoid them. Number one, overcrowding the coop. 2, poor ventilation. 3, ignoring predator protection. That is why you can see sometimes Snakes is a threat to our poultry farms, so we need to protect them very well, just the way you protect yourself from all those things. So if you found this video helpful, kindly subscribe, like and share, and drop your